This is a video review of this IM Tricks. Ayon sa kanya, pagbabasihan, kung anong lalabas is yung last digit ng order number, whether odd or even. That's what we did. That's what we're gonna do. Okay. Order. Check out. 3. Check out. Order number, last digit 2. Therefore, that's making it even. Okay. Titignan natin kung tama o panluloko lang. Tingnan natin kung walang talo. 299. Subukan natin 10 tries. Gonna do it 10 runs and see if he's just spouting out nonsense or telling the truth. If he's telling the truth, I'm actually gonna recommend him to others. See? So we got 40 seconds remaining. I'm sure gonna recommend him. Remember, 10. Dapat kung may failure man dito, 1 or 2 lang, mas lamang dapat yung panalo sa talo. Tingnan natin. 20 seconds remaining. We followed his trick and his instructions by the letter. 10 seconds remaining. Countdown. Hold your breath. Fasten your seatbelts. Brace for impact. 4, 3, 2, 1. Is it true? Oh, see? Sales failed. Followed your advice, dude. See? Worthless. So, bago mo sabihin,
ayun, panalo pa rin tayo mga master. Walang kupas.
dapat pinag-aaralan mo muna mabuti. Baka ikaw lang mapahiya. Thank you.